Hello, Mr. Aaron, Mr. Ryan, how are you?
Good.
Okay, today we're going to talk about the...
Odd palindrome.
Yeah, what's palindrome?
The word when you reverse it is the same.
Can you tell me an example?
Race car.
Yeah, and any more?
I got that in the
Bob.
first place.
Oh.
Bob.
B-O-B, yeah, where's
Yeah.
that? No. Yeah.
Bob.
Okay, or pop, yeah?
Bob.
You see?
Bob.
Okay, yeah, pop, yeah, so reverse it. How do we check it, by the way?
Reverse it.
Yeah, we can reverse it and check if it's the same, yeah? We reverse it, it's the same.
Minus one thing.
Or we can use 2-pointer thing and check character by character until the mid in the window, yeah? Yeah? Yeah, that's one easy way. Okay, so today we want to talk about odd palindrome. What does it mean? So given a string, like, given a string, A, B, let's just give this a string, for example, like Bob. Okay.
Bob. Yay!
We want to find out the substrings,
Bob.
the palindrome substring. Okay, so we any sub what's the substring? Substrings.
Bob.
What's substrings?
Bob.
What's substring?
A string.
Yeah, which is what?
That's substitute.
How many substring can we have for the Bob?
1, 2, 3, 6.
What are those?
B O B B O B.
O B B O B. Yeah. Alright.
And then O B B.
No.
O B B.
No, it's
D B O.
we have
Oh.
It's
Okay.
OBB.
Okay. Oh, yeah. So that's
And
an empty string. Yeah. So 6. Well done.
yeah.
No,
Good
that's
job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Okay, and including the empty string is the empty string is also kind of substring, yeah, a special substring. So it's six substring. So among of those, which are the palindromes, the substrings? How many of those are substrings? This one is, yeah. Okay, this one maybe yes. This one is yeah. Single character palindrome, right? This one no, right? This one no. This one yes, right? Yeah? Are there any even palindromes? So the size, the length is even. Are there any even palindromes? Here? No? They are odd, yeah? This
I
is
can
odd.
tell you.
No, look.
No.
Yeah? These are all single, the length is 1,
I
3,
can tell you.
1, so that
I can tell you a palindrome that has like an even number.
Okay, can you tell me?
Poop.
P-O-O-P, yeah. Okay, so you understand. So we given a string, okay, so our task is to find out if there are any palindrome which are the size of, which are all, all the size of the palindromes are even, odd, sorry. Okay? Okay. Do I make myself clear? Yeah? So given a string, we want to find or to check if all palindrome. Okay, first of all, it has to be palindrome. Substrings are odd size. Okay, odd size.
All size.
So it doesn't mean that there can't be any palindrome that are even size. Okay. For example, like what? OOCCAC. Okay, so for this one, for this one,
Yeah,
what's the? Can you find any palindrome that is even size?
Kook.
Yeah.
Cat.
And O, yeah, that's it. And cat is odd size. Okay, so what we want to check if all the palindrome substring are odd size. Any example? Any idea? Any idea? The first thing come to mind is what?
A palindrome that has an odd number.
We want to find out if all the palindrome substring are odd size. So if they are even size, we need to say false. Otherwise, we will say yes.
True.
So for this one, we said true false because we find out that these are even size, right? But for this CAC, we say yes because all the palindrome substring are odd size. This is even size, so it's not, right? It's false. Got it? Do I make?
Yeah, it's clear.
It's clear, yeah. It's very clear.
So you just need to find a palindrome that has an odd number of letters.
We want to find out if they are palindromes that are even size, right? If they are even size, then we just return immediately, right?
False.
Yeah. Okay. So, any idea how can we do this? This is
Brute
kind of,
forcing.
yeah, brute forcing. We can prove.
Always.
How do we brute force all the substrings? In what's the term complexity if we brute force all the substrings? Eric,
Yeah.
if we brute force the substring, what's the term complexity?
If we
O(n)
Square.
square, yeah. Because look, if we, A, B, C, D, okay. What's the
A,
substring?
A,
If
B, B,
we
C,
have
C,
a
D, D.
left pointer, when we make sure the left, we have another loop to go to determine the right pointer, right? Okay. Okay. So let's do this, and then let's define all odd palindrome. Okay. We want to find out all palindrome, all the palindrome substrings are odd size. Okay. Let's say S. N equals length S, right? For I
I'm so sure.
in range N, right? Right? The I is the left, right? Right?
Yeah.
And then the right, what should we start with the right? For J in range what? Range what? I is the left, J is what? J is from I to N, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
And then we want to try, how do we check palindrome? Let's say if we check the function, check palindrome. As yeah, we write it here. We can just simply return this. Look, Eric,
Yeah.
the reverse version equals itself. So how do we write the reverse version of S? Remember
-1.
column -1.
Yeah.
Okay? Column minus 1. Or we use 2 pointer, yeah? Like ij equals 0, 0, right? 0.
What is under
Then-
10 more?
Then s minus 1. Then y I smaller than j. If si not equal sj, then we return false, right? Okay? Otherwise, I plus equals 1 and j minus equals 1, right? And then return true. Got it? Does it make sense? Yeah? Yeah? Wait, look at me. What am I doing here? What's this part doing here? Can you tell me what's this part doing here? What does this mean?
So technically, it's this. You have this I.
Yeah? What's ij? Can
2
anybody...
pointer.
2 pointer to check if
Yeah.
a string is
I was about to say that.
palindrome, yeah? Okay. I was just checking. I know you know it. I was just checking if you're paying attention, okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Now look, if checking and then look, what's the if the index goes from I to J inclusive, okay? So what's the string? What's the string? The substring, okay? The substring equals what? S start from I to J plus 1, right? Okay. Right? If we find the palindrome, if this is a palindrome and it's odd size, it's even size, right? So how do
Then
we
it's return false.
how do we check its even even size? Sorry.
Divided by.
No. The I to J inclusive. How many sides of this? How many sides from I to J? How many characters are there? If J minus I plus 1, right? Then that's how many characters from I to J. If this and 1, yeah, or modulo 2, yeah, modulo 2 equal 0, right? And then what? If
Modulo means divide by
Yeah.
100.
And check the palindrome.
Say
Yeah,
that.
yeah, modulo percentage 2 modulus 2 by equal 0. It means this is an even number. And if you check this st is a palindrome, then we return what? Return false, right? Return false. And then what's missing here? Return what?
Return.
What's missing after 2? Yeah, we're done. What's the time complexity? Okay, what's the time complexity? What's the time complexity? Come on.
And square.
This is one loop, this is one loop, and then we need to check how what's.
Cubic.
We're done because here
Hello.
is another n, right? However, we can improve this, right? We can improve this. Eric, look at me, please, right? Do we actually need to check go through these, right? We can get rid of these, right? Because we need to first of all check if the length is an even number. But instead of this, we can do this. Look, I plus 1. We go through the right will be at least I plus 1 to n, and then we put a step here.
Yeah.
What's this 2 mean?
Wait, I can't see behind your finger.
I plus 1 to n, j, and 2.
Yeah.
So every time we skip 2, because
Yeah.
an even number
Yeah.
adds 2 is also an even
Yeah.
number, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and then we
Yeah.
can get rid of which part?
Yeah.
Can you tell me we can get rid of which part?
That one.
Which, what is
That one.
this one? Yeah?
No, check.
We always want to check. We want to get rid of this because we already know this is an even number. Skipping at 2. Come on, so we can get rid of that, right? Right? So it'll be easier, right? That's all in cubic. It's not very good. Okay, so how can we improve it? Okay, so can you tell me can you give me a few palindromes which are even size?
Poop.
Any more? Any more? Any more? Any more? Come on. Any more?
Let me think.
Is race car,
No.
okay. What else?
Let me think.
That. This is not, this is odd number. What else? Any more? Is that this? Huh?
Nothing. All we can think is poop.
Come on, give me one more example which is palindrome and even size. Are you okay? Okay.
Noon.
Wait down, noon, yeah? What's noon mean?
It's
Afternoon, yeah.
it's like lunchtime.
Yeah.
12 o'clock.
Okay, so can you tell me if it's
And I got one more.
Okay.
I got one more.
even palindrome? Okay, so what's
Hey, I got one more.
okay? What's that?
Poop.
Already okay. Listen to me. If it's a palindrome, if it's even size, what does it mean? We can fold it, right? We can fold it. So what does it
What do you
mean?
mean?
Look, we can fold it in the middle, yeah? Yeah, we can fold it, yeah? And then what does it mean? There are 2 continuous characters, right? Yeah?
Isn't just like a mirror.
It's like a mirror, so these 2 characters, they should be, if it's
No,
an even
not
palindrome.
like a mirror.
Listen to me,
I'll
everybody.
show you what's a mirror. This is a mirror. Beep, 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 beep.
Okay.
And then, that's what's a mirror.
Okay, I see what you mean. It's not. What I was saying is that if there's an even palindrome, right? Every right hand for the last time. Come on.
Yes!
If it's an even palindrome, there are 2 characters which needs to be the same, right?
Yes.
And what does that mean? If the original question, if they are original, if there's a string, we want to find out if all the palindromes are
Yeah.
palindromes, substrings are odd size. What does it mean?
Oh.
What does it mean? So we want to check for if they are 2 continuous letters. If it is, then it's false, right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Every parents, stand up. Hurry up. Can you repeat what I'm saying? Huh?
Can you repeat what I'm saying?
快点。
Quiet.
Eric, what did I say?
What did I say?
Okay, that's it. If they are even number, what I'm saying is that if they are even number palindrome, if a palindrome is even number, they will be 2 continuous, consecutive same letters. Am I right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so the original question is can we find a palindrome? Are all the palindrome substrings are odd size? So we can check if they are consecutive same letters. If they are, it means that there should be a palindrome which is an even size. Am I right? Okay, so we can turn the original question into this question. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do we check it?
Take it like
This.
How do we check it? Okay, so I'm going to write it quickly, and you can tell me if the original question is yes or no. Okay, A C D E F G.
What
Okay.
is the original question?
If all the palindrome substrings are odd number. Okay, so what this one? If the, come on, look.
It's not. It's not.
Why? Why is it not?
Cause I can 3, 3, 1 odd.
Sorry, sorry, what?
3, 3, 1.
Yeah, but the original question is that we want to find out if all the palindrome substring are all numbers. Yeah, okay. Another one, just to make sure you understand. C, E, F, G, H, I. Yes or no?
Yes.
True or false?
True. No, false.
I don't think it.
False.
If you say false, you need to tell me which two are the even size.
No, I
C, E, F, G, H, I.
No, the palindrome needs to be
no,
palindrome.
no, I don't think there is one.
No.
Then it's true, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
C, E, F, H, I.
F.
Yeah, and then it should be false, right?
Yeah.
So the question is, we need to check if they are two consecutive, right? Because if they are,
I just say
if they are,
leave it like this.
yeah,
There's only one unique of each.
yeah.
one, so I say
That's right. If they are even palindrome, what does it mean? If they are even palindrome, what does it mean?
It means that
There
it's
should
false.
be, no, yeah, it's false, and then there must be two consecutive same letter, right? To make a even palindrome, right? Because, got it? This is the most important thing to remember. Do you understand? Yeah?
Yeah, now let's
Yeah?
write the code.
Look. Poop, P-O-P.
Hey,
And that.
hey.
These two kinds of palindrome. This one is even size. This one is odd number, right? Yeah? Odd number, there's only one single in the middle. But even size, what does it mean? There are two in the middle. There are two in the middle. Consecutive. Got it? Okay, let's write this. Define. Check. Just do it check. S. For I in range length n minus 1, huh? Because n 1, huh? Look. If what? If si equal what? Si what? Next one is what? What's S? What's next character? Current character and next character. What should I put here?
Plus 1.
If it equals plus 1, what does it mean? Then we return what?
Return false.
Because return false. Because there are two consecutive letters, then there must be even palindrome, right? And otherwise we return.
True.
Okay, this should go here. Okay, this go here. What's the time complexity for this now?
O N
Where that O N? What's the original first approach we will talk about?
on N square. No, O N cubic.
Which one is better?
O N.
This one is better. Okay.
Faster.
Look. For I in range up to si, if I want to change this to s minus 1, what should I do? If I need to check the previous one, what should I do to change this?
Not plus one.
No, what should I change here?
We shall change.
We change it here to what? To start with 1, right?
Yeah.
Up to length n, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you focus? Okay, now we can write this in one line, right? We can just do this. Return all. All means what? Everything, yeah? Okay. Si equal si plus 1 for I in range. Range what? Can you tell me? Range what? For I in range what?
Range.
Si to si plus 1 should be from length s minus 1, right? Because we are plus 1, we need to check plus 1. Can you put it back, please? Okay, I'm going to erase this and then you tell me.
Yeah.
Come on. You just write, just do this. I help you with return true here, okay? And what's this bit? What's this bit? This index from
Return
1.
false.
Return this.
Yay!
So what should we check? If what? If what?
Return false.
If what return false? Come on. If what? Anyway?
If
If
it's something moderate.
If it's
2. No.
Have you paid attention to what Daddy says here? Look, we want to check if the two characters are the same, right?
Yep.
So if what? Come on.
If they're the same.
Then
If
can you,
one
S what?
S
I
I
equal
equal
what? Everyone? Anyone?
is
SI minus 1.
Yeah. And then return.
false.
Well,
I would like
okay.
to-
Okay. Look. If I change this to plus ones, what should I check? What should I check here? Can you pay attention? Come on. If I do this plus one, what should I do here?
We shall do
So
Something.
change what?
1.
To start from 0 and we can get and minus 1, right? This is the same thing as. And I'm going to write the one liner again, okay? Or means everything needs to be the same. Si equal Si plus 1 for I in range length.
You're looking.
And I'm looking at this length S.
You're looking.
This is length S, sorry. Length S. S
Now
plus 1.
for quick drawing.
So what does it mean? We want to check if Si equals the neighboring characters are the same. For the range, I is for the range up to the length minus 1, right? And everything, all. So this is the same, okay? The time complexity is O and the space complexity is what? What's the space complexity?
1.
O1 because we're not using any space, okay? That's it for today. Good job. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Minion.